Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 83 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. Today we're gonna be doing flashcards because I'm behind. I'm kind of late to work. I have like 12 minutes and also I'm working like crazy, right? So I'm actually a bit late with this upload. Hope that's fine for you guys. Of course it's fine. It's my channel. What the hell? But I just want to say that this and next week I'm working 90 hours. So it's very unfortunate because the videos are going to be short. But that's what I got to do, right? As long as I show up. So let's get into this. How do you concatenate arrays? So we learned about the spread. But we need to put it in an array, right? So I would say this one. Complete the code below such that it calculates the sum of all the grades. So the sum, right? The total of all the grades. So let grades equal 10, 5, 15, 20. So let sum, because we have a let, right? But we have a let sum here. So grades reduce. Okay, so we have the total, which is going to be the entire thing here. And then current, which is going to be 20. Right, that's the last number when it goes through each. So it's going to return 30. But here we are also having like the I think that's going to be replacing the total, right? So we should have 0 because we are getting the total. Yeah, the initial value. Okay. Complete the function multiply numbers such that it multiplies all the numbers in the array. In the numbers array it receives. So function number multiply numbers, return numbers, reduce total current, return. So when it comes to multiplication in reduce, we need to start with 1, the initial value. Otherwise, yeah, you guys know, right? 0 times any number will always equal 0. So, okay, delete C, D, and E from the letters array. So we are using splice. So 0, 1, 2. So we're going to delete this, but also the F. A letter splice 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. And from this position, 2, 0, 1, 2, and it's gonna omit this, I think. Yeah, from position 3, right? 0, 1, 2. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, and then from position 3. So because it doesn't make sense to do 3, 4, right? It's gonna be 0, 1, 2, and from this position we are going 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, and I think it's gonna omit the F. Okay, so 2 of these functions have a syntax error. Which choose the correct one? So const vote equals H, arrow function, return. Okay, so this looks correct. Const can vote H. We have an arrow function here though. But that's correct because we have arrow function and then we have the parameter and then we have this. So const can vote. I think this is wrong because we need, this is like a function. So the variable can vote needs to be assigned to the arrow function. Okay, so this was wrong. Okay, whatever. I'm confused with the different sign. So what is the output of some numbers 10, 20. So let's see. So this is what we are getting, and numbers reduce function total current return total flow is going to be 30. No, it doesn't return anything. Oh, it's an array. Fuck. Oh my god, guys, it's an array. I fell for that trick. Okay. What is the most efficient way to empty an array? So reassign it to an empty array, but you can't reassign it because it's already an empty array. So you can delete it, but you can't. You can set its length to 0. Yeah. Complete complete the code such that it returns true when all the users have been verified. So here we have an object. We have an array containing an object, 2 objects actually. So we can say user verified. So we can use the every user. Okay, so yeah. Complete the function below such that it calculates the product of all the grades. So function product grades, let total 1, calculates the product of all. Oh, okay, this is multiplication, I guess. So grades for each grade, we want to say, because we want to say that calculates the product of all the grades. Yeah. So the structure, the width, height, and depth from the dimensions variable. So const dimensions 5, 15, 20. So we can destructure it by doing this. So width, height, and depth. And but this is wrong because we are not supposed to wrap the const variable. I was gonna highlight it, guys. What the fuck? But this one is the correct one, right? Because we have const and then we have the variables in the array, and then we're like, yeah. Okay. So that's it, guys. Very short. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know, kind of lazy of me, but I hope you guys understand. And yeah, I just have to keep doing my best. I'm so fucking tired right now. Didn't have enough sleep and shit, but what can we do? I don't want to complain, right? This is life. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.